How to redeem codes in Clash Royale. I'm going to tell you how to redeem codes in Clash Royale in 2025. So the thing is, Clash Royale doesn't actually use promo codes the way other games do. Instead, most of their bonus content comes from creator codes, limited time events, or special links. If you're supporting a creator, you can go into the in game shop, scroll to the bottom, and tap Support a Creator. Then type in their name. This won't give you rewards directly, but it helps the creator during purchases. For actual in game rewards, Supercell usually runs global tasks. If you ever do get a code from a Supercell event, redeeming it usually happens through an official Supercell website, not inside the app. So the bottom line, there are no typical redeem code spots in Clash Royale right now. But stay active during events and check the official Twitter or creator content for any exclusive links or rewards.